The majestic journey. The life and legacy of eagles. High above the world, where the sky meets the mountains and the wind carries whispers of ancient tales, resides the eagle. Known for their exceptional vision, powerful talons, and unparalleled grace in flight, eagles have long captured the imagination and reverence of humankind. This is the story of the eagle, a creature of both myth and reality, embodying strength, freedom, and resilience. The birth of an eagle. In a remote cliffside nest, high above the ground, the story of an eagle begins. The nest, or eyrie, is an impressive structure made of sticks and lined with softer materials. It is here that the female eagle lays her eggs, usually 1 to 3. These eggs are carefully tended, kept warm and safe under the vigilant eye of the parents. As the days pass, the eggs hatch, revealing fluffy eaglets. These young birds are entirely dependent on their parents, who tirelessly hunt and bring food to the nest. The first meals consist of small prey, often rodents or fish, which the parents tear into manageable pieces. As the eaglets grow, so does their appetite and the size of their meals. Growing up in the wild. The early weeks of an eaglet's life are critical. They must learn to navigate their environment, recognizing the dangers and opportunities that it holds. Their nest, high and secluded, offers protection from many predators, but the world is not without its threats. Harsh weather, disease, and accidents can all claim the lives of young eagles before they ever take their first flight. During this time, the eaglets engage in constant sibling rivalry. Competition for food can be fierce, and in some cases, the strongest eaglet may outcompete its siblings, ensuring its own survival. This natural selection process, though brutal, ensures that the strongest and fittest survive to carry on the species. The first flight. One of the most pivotal moments in an eagle's life is its first flight. After weeks of growing and strengthening their wings, the eaglets begin to practice flapping within the nest. This exercise is crucial as it builds the necessary muscle and coordination for flight. Finally, the day comes when the young eagle takes its first leap into the air. This moment is both thrilling and perilous. The initial flights are often clumsy and short, but with each attempt, the young eagle gains confidence and skill. The parents continue to provide food during this period, but gradually, the young must learn to hunt for themselves. Learning to hunt. Hunting is an essential skill for eagles, and it is learned through a combination of instinct and observation. Young eagles watch their parents closely, mimicking their techniques and strategies. Eagles are versatile hunters, capable of taking a wide variety of prey. Depending on the species, this can range from fish and waterfowl to small mammals and even other birds. Bald eagles, for example, are known for their fishing prowess. They soar high above rivers and lakes, using their exceptional vision to spot fish swimming near the surface. With incredible speed and precision, they dive, extending their talons to snatch the fish from the water. This technique requires not only skill but also patience, as missed attempts are common. Other species, like the harpy eagle, hunt primarily in dense forests. They rely on their strength and stealth to catch monkeys and sloths among the treetops. Harpy eagles have powerful talons that can exert immense pressure, allowing them to secure their prey effectively. The majestic flight. Eagles are renowned for their majestic flight. Their wingspan, often exceeding 7 feet in some species, allows them to soar effortlessly on thermal currents. This ability to glide with minimal energy expenditure is crucial for covering large distances in search of food or during migration. Migration is a significant part of the life cycle for many eagle species. Bald eagles, for example, migrate southward during the winter months when food becomes scarce in their northern habitats. These journeys can span thousands of miles, testing the endurance and navigational skills of the eagles. During flight, eagles demonstrate a remarkable blend of power and grace. They can reach speeds of up to 100 miles per hour in a dive, using their aerodynamic bodies to cut through the air with precision. Their keen eyesight allows them to spot prey from great heights, making them formidable hunters even while in motion. The symbolism of eagles. Eagles have held a place of significance in human culture for millennia. Across various civilizations, they have been revered as symbols of power, freedom, and spiritual insight. In ancient Greek mythology, the eagle was associated with Zeus, the king of the gods. It was believed that Zeus transformed into an eagle to deliver his thunderbolts and messages. In Native American cultures, eagles are considered sacred beings, representing the connection between the physical and spiritual worlds. The bald eagle, in particular, holds a place of honor as the national bird and symbol of the United States. Its image is a powerful emblem of freedom and independence. The reverence for eagles is not limited to mythology and symbolism. Throughout history, their feathers have been used in ceremonial attire and rituals, believed to carry the spirit of the eagle and its attributes of strength and vision. Conservation and challenges. Despite their revered status, eagles have faced significant challenges, particularly in the modern era. Habitat loss, pollution, and human encroachment have all taken a toll on eagle populations. In the mid-20th century, the widespread use of the pesticide DDT led to a dramatic decline in bald eagle numbers. The chemical caused thinning of eggshells, leading to failed reproduction. The plight of the bald eagle became a rallying point for conservation efforts. The banning of DDT in the United States in 1972, along with legal protections and habitat restoration initiatives, led to a remarkable recovery. The bald eagle was removed from the endangered species list in 2007, a testament to the effectiveness of concerted conservation efforts. However, the challenges are far from over. Eagles continue to face threats from habitat destruction, climate change, and illegal hunting. Conservation organizations worldwide are working tirelessly to protect these majestic birds, ensuring that future generations can continue to witness their grandeur. The legacy of eagles. The story of the eagle is one of resilience and adaptation. From their humble beginnings as fragile chicks to their awe-inspiring presence as apex predators, eagles embody the essence of survival and strength. Their journey is a reminder of the delicate balance of nature and the interconnectedness of all living things. Eagles, with their keen vision and powerful wings, remind us of the importance of perspective and the ability to rise above challenges. They inspire us to look beyond the immediate horizon, to soar towards our highest aspirations with determination and grace. As we continue to navigate the complexities of the modern world, the eagle stands as a symbol of hope and resilience. Its legacy is a call to action, urging us to protect and preserve the natural world that sustains us all. In doing so, we honor not only the eagle but the intricate web of life that it represents. The role of eagles in ecosystems. Eagles play a crucial role in maintaining the health and balance of their ecosystems. The role of eagles in ecosystems. Eagles play a crucial role in maintaining the health and balance of their ecosystems. As apex predators, they help regulate the populations of their prey, which in turn affects the entire food web. By controlling the numbers of rodents, fish, and other small animals, eagles contribute to the stability of their habitats. In some ecosystems, eagles also serve as scavengers, consuming carrion and preventing the spread of disease. Their presence indicates a healthy environment, as they require clean water and abundant prey to thrive. Monitoring eagle populations can provide valuable insights into the overall health of an ecosystem, making them important indicators for conservationists. The diverse world of eagles. Eagles are a diverse group, with over 60 species found across the globe. Each species has adapted to its unique environment, showcasing a wide range of behaviors and physical characteristics. Here are a few notable examples. Bald eagle, Haliaeetus leucocephalus. The iconic national bird of the United States, the bald eagle is known for its striking white head and tail feathers. It primarily feeds on fish, often seen soaring above lakes and rivers. Golden eagle, Aquila crassitos. Found in North America, Europe, and Asia, the golden eagle is a powerful hunter, capable of taking down large prey such as deer and goats. It is revered in many cultures for its strength and hunting prowess. Harpy eagle, Harpia harpyja, native to the rainforests of Central and South America, the harpy eagle is one of the largest and most powerful eagles. Its massive talons and strong wings enable it to hunt arboreal mammals like monkeys and sloths. Stellar sea eagle, Haliaeetus pelagicus. This impressive eagle, found in coastal regions of Northeast Asia, is known for its striking black and white plumage and large yellow beak. It primarily feeds on fish and seabirds. This impressive eagle, found in coastal regions of Northeast Asia, is known for its striking black and white plumage and large yellow beak. It primarily feeds on fish and seabirds. African fish eagle, Haliaeetus vocifer. Commonly found near freshwater lakes and rivers in sub-Saharan Africa, the African fish eagle is recognized by its distinctive call, often referred to as the voice of Africa. It feeds mainly on fish but will also take birds and small mammals. The future of eagles. The future of eagles depends on our commitment to conservation and environmental stewardship. As apex predators, they are sensitive to changes in their environment, making them vulnerable to the impacts of climate change, pollution, and habitat destruction. Protecting their habitats and ensuring a steady food supply are critical steps in safeguarding their populations. Conservation efforts often involve habitat restoration, legal protections, and public awareness campaigns. For example, the establishment of protected areas and wildlife. Thanks to watch this video. If you liked my video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.